today we have Dr. T.L. Sharma, who is the principal of Sanjay Gandhi Memorial College. So we welcome you, sir, to Thoughts on Education. My first question to you is being the principal of Sanjay Gandhi Memorial College. What is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
My leadership to improve the development of the higher education in Jharkhand state, and the college palace will be on the world level. So I will try to develop our college as a model college, a smart and textual classes, e-library, to keep our library with all the state of the art facility, to make the fully Wi-Fi campus, establishment a near and clean canteen, to equip our college with all the modern facility, to start a B.Ed and nursing college, to start a PG classes in the near future in subject. Take up example, M.Com, BA, political science, MA in geography, Hindi, and history, and last Nagpuri, regional language, MA.
Okay.
To start PG classes, arrangement a special classes for the solo learner, to launch a more vocational course, set up on the open theater to promote tribal culture, fully operational and modern rain water harvesting system, to develop our trial department of based in the region, develop and promote fishery cultural in Kamre building. There have a two building, Pandra and Kamre. The first control administrative building, Pandra, and second extension building in Kamre. So my plan to develop and promote fishery cultural in Kamre building, to establish a solar plant in Kamre and cater energy needs in Kamre plant. This is my leadership and my future plan.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much. So my next question is: have you introduced any new program in your college? And can you briefly describe about that new program? And if you have not introduced any new program, do you plan to introduce any new program in your college in future?
My new plan, I have already run BA, become BSc honors of all the subject. In the future, my plan to open the BA, B.Ed and nursing classes of the student.
Okay, sir. Okay. So, how do you tend to establish a healthy relationship and environment in your institute, be it with the faculty and the students?
Dual student performance learning structure, experiences appreciated teaching learning environment, guidelines to find the relevant information through the modern technology, promote the problem solving skill through the decision, discussion, critical approach to concept theory, providing the higher education to the large number of the girls, particularly those belonging to the tribal community, offering a modern course such as BSc, BCA and BBA, BCom and BA based on the CBCS to enhance their competitive skill, life skill for the overcoming a competition, providing the support and guidelines of the student to improve their communication skill.
Okay, sir. So, what are some of the biggest challenges you see both for higher education in general and for Sanjay Gandhi Memorial College specifically?
Sanjay Gandhi Memorial College have already permanent affiliated to UGC Ranchi University, graduation level. Some subject permanent affiliated, BBA, BCA, and BSc honors. In the future, already start MA in some subject.
Okay, okay. So, do you see any challenge to the college right now?
It's the modern time the child face the challenge. Take of example, limited ICT enable teaching and learning environment with personal and laptop of teacher, hands on the experience to use the digital technology. Enhancing the learning environment through the highly qualified and experienced teacher. Affecting the learning and discussing the session, personal excellence by the state service, orientation, and sense of responsibility, quality in the term of appreciation for corruption, free environment, and ensuring it.
Okay, sir. So, do you have any extracurricular activities or program to enhance the skills of the students or to expose them to real world challenges?
Institutional incentive and activity, preparing the academic calendar, define a teaching, examination, and extracurricular activity, presentation on detailed lesson plan. Ranchi University prescribed curriculum is the follow with value addition. Our objective is to design and implement of curriculum and effective manner.
Okay, sir. So, with the competition so high, how do you guide your students to survive in such a competitive environment?
Okay. Our vision to pursue and achieve goal and appreciation of the student, provide the best education, promote the intellectual growth and see the development of student at the personal level, insurance quality education which is available to the everyone, to become a national recognized as an innovation and creative institution, to make students social responsibility global citizen.
So, sir, my last question to you is what is the placement statistics of your college?
My campus placement BBA and BCA. BBA and BCA student join the other company. Take up an example, Wipro, TCS, LIC, some private bank, HDFC, etc.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, I guess that's it from my side. And thank you so much, sir.